If you are tired of ads everywhere, so in this video, I'll show you how to install ad block to Google Chrome. So start the video by linking and subscribe our channel because I mostly upload videos that you really need. Let's get right into this guide. Firstly, you need to open up Google Chrome. And the second thing you need to do is go and open up a search engine. I'm assuming you're probably using Google, but it doesn't actually matter. And then what you need to do is go and search for the Chrome extension store. So type in Chrome search bar extension store, just like so. It'll probably pop up just like so. Then here it is. You want to make sure you get to Chrome Web Store.
Alternatively, you could just go in this video's description and you'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store. Then all you need to do is go to the top right where it says search a store. You want to go and type in ad block. Just type in ad block. So ad block like this. See the icon of it and make sure you go and get the official one. The official one is going to be one of the most popular ones, as you can see at the top, getedlog.com. It's got lakhs of reviews and it's used by 20 million plus people, and it's featured as well. So you can go and look at it and read through the information, but once you're ready, all you need to do is go to the top right and go and tap on Add to Chrome. Like this, it will then say checking, and as you can see, we're going to get this for appear saying it can read and change all the data on all websites. And all you need to do is press add extension button, and then it's going to go and start doing a download in the top right. And it won't take long. And then it's going to be added to Chrome. And then this page will automatically load installing ad block, and then it'll be done. And it's going to go and ask you for your nation, which you can do if you'd like. All you then need to do is start going to websites. And you'll notice that ads are being blocked now if you want to go and use a website and not block the ads to go and support them. Or for another reason, then all you need to do is go to the top right and go and tap on the puzzle piece. This is the extensions button. Then you'll see all the add-ons you have on, then you'll see all of your extensions. And all you need to do is tap on ad block like so, and then it's going to go and open up this little screen here. And if you like the video, so click on subscribe button and do a comment if your ads are blocked and if you want to earn money from Temu affiliate programs. So click here and watch the complete video till the end, or want to edit motion graphics without After Effects in mobile phone. So click here and watch the complete video till the end. I will see you there. Bye, bye, bye.